this video, we're going to learn about the very basic of an actual customer and what goes into a customer. When you click on customers, you click on the customer center. In our example, we have Christy Abercrombie. Now, in order to get into this information here, you see the two icons. You see what looks to be a paperclip, which is called the attach icon, and then you're going to see what's called the edit icon, which looks to be a fork. So we're going to click on the edit icon, and under customer name, you can have the last name first name last. Is totally your choice. However, I strongly recommend that you do be as uniform about this as possible. Because this is a person and not an actual company, then we're going to go through here and just leave this blank. Here we chose to have a salutation along with the first and last name. There is no job title to speak of. We have a main phone number and a main email address that we're going to be sending all of our information to Christy, or we can actually call her at. If you take a look at the drop downs, you can see a multitude of information that you can actually check on for Christy. You can choose home phone, alternate mobile, alternate email, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. You have 8 different options to put as much information as you want to in here. Under the address details, it's asking for you to invoice bill to, so therefore you have an actual piece of information that you can send directly to Christy, as well as a ship to address. If you have multiple ship to addresses, we'll take a look at that as well. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.